Chosen ones, are you tired of working a 9 to 5? Of course you are. Hello, my chosen ones. Welcome to a new video. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment below, and let's get into the video. So, chosen ones right about now are not feeling like they fit in to their 9 to 5. And you know why that is? It's because your spirit and your soul is pulling you to do something more. A 9 to 5 is putting you in a box. We as evolved souls, or souls that are evolved beings, we are expansive. So it's waking the chosen ones up that everything that we're doing here in this 3D world is not beneficial for our soul. It's not pouring into our soul. It's not pouring into our soul's purpose. Now, granted, you may have a job that is helping others. Maybe you're a social worker or a nurse or, any job that's helping other people. Or you may have a job where you're sitting in front of a computer all day, looking at words and numbers and spreadsheets and all of that stuff. But whatever job you have, it's still not fulfilling your soul's purpose. Are you feeling that way? Many of us are. And many of us chosen ones are choosing to walk away from our 9 to 5s. But before you walk away, make sure you have a plan. And in this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how you can put your plan into action. So one of the things that we've realized is that our soul is yearning for more, and a 9 to 5 is not cutting it. Yes, we want to help other people. Yes. We know we're here for a higher purpose. Yes. But our 9 to 5s, where we are being limited as our income is being limited, our measure of help is being limited. Everything is being limited. You're limited by a boss. You are a boss, right? At the end of the day, you are the boss of your own life. So this idea, and chosen ones are waking up to this idea that a 9 to 5 or 8 to 4 or 10 to 6, whatever, 11 to 7, whatever hours you work, it's still putting you in a box and it's putting you in a cage, and you're feeling trapped. Comment down below if you're feeling trapped. Leave me a comment down below with the word trapped. It's time to get out of that trap, chosen one. So this is what I encourage you to do as I'm doing this myself. I had a lucrative business for quite a few years, many, many years. And then I got sick. I had a near-death experience. I almost died. And it took me out. It took me out. It took my business out. Like, I was no longer able to run my business. But in hindsight, like they say, hindsight is 20/20. I looked at how I was running my business before, and it was just too much stress. Like, I had put myself under a lot of pressure and a lot of stress, a lot of pressure to perform, a lot of pressure to make money, a lot. And that's not the type of business that I'm talking about. I'm talking about a business where you are showing up with ease, a business that flows. Your creativity is flowing. Because if it's not a business where you're flowing, then you are not in alignment. So I'm talking about a business, income streams that are in alignment with who you are, with your higher self. So, and you'll know this. You'll know if it feels right. Like, right now the 9 to 5 don't feel right. It's not in alignment. You may like your job, but most chosen ones don't like their jobs. We want to remove ourselves because we know we are called to a higher purpose. And if that's you, then this is what I suggest that you do. Start asking God, your higher self, what is your purpose? Because anything that you do, all your income streams are going to come from you being in alignment with your higher purpose. So first you have to find out what your higher purpose is. What are you here for? We're all here for something, especially chosen ones. We are here to play a major role on this planet. No matter how small the role is, it's still a major role. It's a major role because it's going to affect others in a major positive way. So don't think that anything that you do is too small. No, no, no. Because it takes a small seed to grow a big, large tree. So ask God what your higher purpose is. What is your purpose? That's the first thing. You got to get clear on your purpose. Because once you do that, then you'll see that your purpose aligns with the things that you love to do. One of the ways that you can kind of tune into your purpose is, what would you do if nobody paid you to do it, but you still enjoy doing it? That's a clue right there. If nobody paid you to do this, if you just could do this all the time, for free because you love it. Because you love it. What is it? What is that thing that makes your soul sing, that makes you happy, that makes you feel fulfilled, that makes you feel, yeah, I am doing something good for this world? What is that thing? That thing that puts a smile on your face when you think about it. That is in alignment with your soul's purpose, and you can make money from doing that. Right now, we have the internet. I mean, it's been here for a while, but people are using it more than ever before. And once you learn how to use the internet, like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all of these social media channels are here for you to explore and to bring your purpose and your passion to others. Let me say that again. The internet, social media, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all these things, they're not just here for you to consume information or to consume entertainment. It's here for you to produce, for you to put your content out there that is in alignment with who you are, your passion, your purpose. Put it out there so that you can connect with others. And that can produce income streams for you that can eventually, if you stay consistent, that can eventually replace your current income from your job. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be able to quit your job overnight, but I know for a fact, because I've done it. I was a teacher 2014, and I chose to start an online business. And my business grew and grew and grew and grew and grew. And I was able to quit my job and run my business full time. I had multiple businesses online. But like I said, I got sick. It wasn't really in alignment with my purpose and my passion. I was doing it mostly for the money, which is not what we want to do. Yes, we want to make money, but I'm here to tell you that your passion that aligns with your purpose will always produce an income if you put it out there to the world. That is my promise to you. It will, because people are making money online that's not aligned with their purpose or their passion. They're just doing it for views and clicks, and they're making money. So you will get the views, you will get the clicks, because your passion and your purpose will shine through. That is my promise to you if you stay consistent, because everything online is an algorithm, so you have to stay consistent. So those are 2 tips that I want to give you today. Find out what your purpose is. Align it with your passion. It's probably the same thing. Your purpose and your passion, I'm going to probably 99.99999% guarantee that your purpose is aligned with your passion, something that you love to do. Maybe you're afraid to do it. You know, you're afraid to put it online or whatever, but you secretly love it and you think people will benefit from it. I'm here to tell you, chosen one, don't hide your gifts. Don't hide your talents. Don't hide the things that you love to do that you know can help others, help them grow spiritually, mentally, physically, emotionally, whatever it is, whether it's vitamins, whether it's hair care products, whatever it is, whether it's jewelry, something that's going to uplift others, make them feel better about themselves and help them to connect better with themselves. Put it out here online. I encourage you to start doing that today because chosen ones are tired of the 9-to-5s. We're tired of reporting to a boss. We look around and we say, no, we don't need this. We're better than this. We've come here to do more than just this. This little money that they're paying us, we're thankful that it pays the bills, but we're worth more than this. We're limitless. You can't put a cap or an hourly wage or a yearly salary on what I'm worth. Chosen ones, you are limitless. You have unlimited worthiness about you. So for any job, any supervisor, any boss to say, here, I'm going to give you this amount per hour or this amount per year. Yes, it pays the bills. But is that all that you're worth? Just paying the bills? No, you're worth so much more. Trust me, you are. Believe in yourself. You're doing the inner work. You are connecting with your higher self. You're connecting more with God. Trust God. Trust that God will guide you to other income streams and that you will stay committed to helping others and helping yourself in the process. Because chosen ones, you are here to be abundant. You were put on this earth for abundance and prosperity. Not for just a regular old wage that everybody else is getting. You look to your left, you look to the right. You're probably getting paid around the same amount that everybody else at the job is getting. No, you're worth more than that. And I'm here to tell you to step out of your comfort zone today and look for something more. I know that 9-to-5 is designed to keep you tired. Like once you're from work, oh, you're so tired, right? Oh, I can't create content. Yeah, I love to do this thing, but I haven't done it in so long because after I come from work, I'm tired. Let's put that to the side. Take some time for yourself. You deserve it. You deserve to make more money. You deserve to have your own business. You deserve that. You deserve that because you're a chosen one. Chosen ones aren't like everybody else. They don't conform to the status quo. You are more than that. You are expansive. So don't settle. I don't care how long you've been at your job, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. It's time to get to a higher level. It's time to do more, chosen ones. It's time to really dig deep and see what you're worth and who you are and what you deserve. So start today to put yourself out there. Bring your passion and your purpose, your talents and your gifts, plural, to the internet. Start to get monetized and you will see how $1, $10, $100, $1,000, it'll start to add up. And before you know it, you will start to exceed your current income, and then you'll be in a position to quit that job. All right, my chosen ones, I hope that this video was inspiring for you and you're ready to move forward and you're ready to put yourself ahead of anything that's holding you back, anything that's keeping you in a box, in a cage. It's time to break free of that. Chosen ones are not meant to work a 9-to-5. Chosen ones were meant to share their message of freedom, prosperity, and abundance to those who are looking for a way out. You are chosen for a reason. So go out there and make it happen. All right? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you lovelies in the next video. Until next time, love and light, peace, take care.